Hello, welcome to FlixWater YouTube channel. Today, I want to share with you some valuable information on how to test the water pressure in your home. Testing water pressure is an important part of plumbing maintenance that should be done a few times per year. It's a quick and easy process, and you only need a simple and inexpensive pressure gauge. Some homes even have dedicated gauges installed in their water lines for easy monitoring. However, if you don't have a permanent gauge, you can still perform a periodic test using a standard water pressure gauge. Now, you might wonder why it's necessary to test your home's water pressure. Well, having excessive water pressure can put a strain on your plumbing lines and fixtures, and in some cases, it can even lead to leaks or floods. This is why it's important to test the water pressure, even if your home has a pressure regulator or pressure reducing valve, PRV, installed on the main water supply line. Regulators can fail without showing obvious signs, so testing the pressure occasionally can help you catch any issues before they cause damage to your plumbing system. Let's talk about what you'll need for this test. The equipment and tools required are a water pressure gauge and tongue and groove pliers, if necessary. Additionally, you'll need a rag for a clean setup. Now, let's move on to the step-by-step instructions for testing your water pressure. Step 1. Choose the testing location. If your water comes from a city or municipal water utility, select an outdoor hose spigot that is closest to where the main water supply line enters your house. For those who have well water, choose a faucet or fixture that is near the well's pressure tank. To ensure the most accurate reading, use a hose bib or faucet that is fed by the largest supply pipe inside your house. These pipes are usually 3/4 to 1 inch in size, but may also be half an inch. Step 2. Check for running water. To obtain an accurate reading, make sure that no water is being used inside or outside the house. Turn off appliances such as washing machines, sprinklers, refrigerators with ice makers, and dishwashers. Remember, we want to measure the static water pressure, and any movement in the plumbing system can result in a false low reading. Step 3. Install the pressure gauge. Remove any connected hose from the faucet. Ensure that the test is done without a hose attached. Screw the pressure gauge onto the faucet, ensuring a good seal. Most pressure gauges have a rubber gasket inside, and hand tightening should be sufficient. However, if there is a slight leak during the test, use tongue and groove pliers or an adjustable wrench to tighten the connection slightly. It's crucial to have a good seal for an accurate reading. Step 4. Check the pressure. Turn the faucet on fully and read the pressure on the gauge's dial. Typically, home water pressure ranges from 40 to 50 psi and should not exceed 60 psi. Most pressure regulators can be adjusted up to a maximum of 75 psi. If the pressure gauge reading exceeds 75 psi, it indicates that the pressure regulator is not functioning correctly and needs repair or replacement. If you don't currently have a pressure regulator installed and the water pressure reading is above 60 psi, it's advisable to consult a plumber about getting one installed. If you don't have a hose bib available, an alternate location to test your water pressure is at the cold water supply faucet of your washing machine. Shut off the cold water behind the washing machine and disconnect the hose from the faucet. Careful, it will be full of water. Screw the pressure gauge onto the faucet and open it fully to test the pressure. By following these simple steps, you can regularly test your home's water pressure and ensure the health of your plumbing system. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to plumbing issues, and testing the water pressure is an essential part of your overall maintenance routine. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this information helpful. Take care, and happy testing! Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for next topics or click to see the next videos on the right.